In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your eBay gift card balance efficiently. Whether you've received a gift card as a present or you've just purchased one for yourself, keeping track of your balance is essential to make sure you still have funds available for that next great deal you're eyeing on eBay. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you have everything you need to know to handle this task with ease. First things first, open up Google Chrome on your computer. If for any reason you prefer using a different browser, that's perfectly fine too. But in this guide, we're focusing on Chrome because of its popularity and compatibility. Once you've got your browser open, your next step is to log into your eBay account. Look for the Sign In button, generally located in the upper right part of the eBay homepage. If you already have your login details saved, this step will be a breeze. Simply click and get signed in. If you need to enter your username and password manually, go ahead and do so now. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. Hover over the My eBay section. You should see a drop-down menu. This feature is designed to make navigating through your personal eBay settings straightforward. Within this menu, click on Account. It's a pivotal area where you'll find all your personal and transaction settings. Next, look for the gift cards option. It's here where all the magic happens concerning your gift card queries. Once you're in this section, the goal is to locate the check balance option. This function is vital as it gives you the power to know exactly how much is left on your gift card before you proceed with any purchases. Now, to proceed with checking your balance, have your gift card number handy. You might find it helpful to have the physical card on hand, or if it was an e-gift card, keep your email open. You will see a field where you can enter your gift card number. Sometimes eBay also requests a PIN, so if your card has one, be ready to enter that too. This added security step ensures that only you can access the card's details. Once you've entered the necessary information, click through to view the balance. Almost instantly, you'll see the current balance of your eBay gift card right in front of you. Checking it beforehand is particularly advantageous when planning on using the gift card for a purchase. It helps avoid any surprises at checkout. Congratulations, you've successfully checked your eBay gift card balance. Continue using your gift card until it runs out, or keep track periodically to make sure you're well aware of what's left. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy shopping on eBay, and I'll see you in the next video.